In today's video, we're digging into GoHighLevel's Summer of AI promo and more importantly, what their new AI tools can actually do for your business. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and if you've run a service-based business, agency, or just need better systems for handling leads, messages, or bookings without hiring a full team, this is definitely worth checking out. I'm going to walk you through the new AI features inside GoHighLevel, what's included in the limited time promo, and how these tools can help you save time, stay organized, and automate without getting overwhelmed. Let's get into it. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify how you run your business. It combines tools like CRM, email, text automation, landing pages, booking, pipeline tracking, and more. So you don't need to duct tape 5 different apps together to stay on top of everything. And now they've added a full AI suite to help you automate even more without it sounding robotic or getting overly complex. These tools are designed to take repetitive tasks off your plate, things like handling missed calls, following up with leads, or booking appointments, so you can actually focus on the actual work instead of chasing messages. So before we get into the demo, I wanted to quickly talk about what you get if you sign up during the Summer of AI promotion. Please note that this is for new users only. First off, you get 50% off your plan for the first 3 months, and you get 30 days free access to all of the AI tools. You also get a done-for-you automation snapshot, so you don't have to build anything from scratch, on top of access to a live 2-day AI voice workshop happening June 16th and 17th. This is full platform access, not a stripped down trial, so you can actually test and use the tools in your business. So let's get into what these AI tools actually do and how they can help save time, book more clients, and streamline your workflow. So if you want to follow along and get started with the free trial, go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below. So if you click that link, you can go ahead and click get free trial. All you'll have to do is enter in your company name, full name, email address, and phone number, and then enter in your payment details. Once you are logged in here, you can see we immediately see the Summer of AI. What we're going to do first is go over AI voice. So AI voice is essentially a 24/7 receptionist that doesn't miss a lead. AI voice handles incoming and outgoing phone calls using a natural sounding AI that can have full conversations. So here's what it can do. First off, it can answer missed calls automatically. It can qualify leads through voice prompts, and it can book appointments directly over the phone. It also can route calls or collect info so you're not losing leads. So if you go ahead and click on Voice AI, this is where you can create an agent. So you just click Create Agent, and then you can customize the details by setting the name, the voice, so you can go ahead and try different voices.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk.
Or you can try another one.
His deep voice is the sound of articulate authority, but he also feels deeply and takes care of the people he loves.
So you've got some options that you can choose from, and then right now they only have inbound calls, but they are working on outbound calls as well. This is where you would select the agent's initial message. So, hey, you have reached Ashley's LLC, how can I help you? And then you can go ahead and set the agent goals, and on here you can select a knowledge base, which you will have to create a new one. From here you can add all the details to collect, like name, email address, contact issue. This is automatically checked, but it will add a call summary as a note to the contact. There's a few other settings here too, like trigger workflow when call is completed and receive email notifications post call completion. And this is to specific people that you can select. There's also an advanced mode as well. And then you set the phone and availability. Now I just wanted to give you an example of how you can use this in real life. Maybe you're a med spa owner and miss a call while with a client. The AI voice will pick up and say, hi there, thanks for calling, insert your business. Are you looking to book an appointment or learn about our services? The caller can choose, and the AI books them or captures their info for you to follow up without you even ever picking up the phone. As you can see, you can go ahead and test your agent, but you can select the number to call from, the number to receive a call, and then you just go ahead and click save. So next we have AI Employee, which is essentially your virtual assistant inside GoHighLevel. This tool responds to leads via text, chat, or email in real time, and it's fully programmable to sound like your brand. So essentially what it can handle is texting leads after form submissions, booking appointments or calls, following up if someone doesn't respond, and keeping leads warm until they convert. So what you would do is come into Conversation AI, and we can create a bot, and this is general Q&A or appointment booking. We'll click appointment booking, and from here you'll type in your brand name, your website, your company email. You can add tone of voice as well. We'll go ahead and add the tone of voice and click save. Now we'll go ahead and go to next. We'll go to the bot settings. So this is where you'll configure the communication. So you can type in the bot name. You can make this the primary bot. You can select the preferred channels like Instagram, Facebook, live chat, WhatsApp. And then you also can select the waiting time before response, and then you'll enter the initial greeting message right here. Then you can go ahead and define the bot goals. So from here you can select the details to collect from the contact. You also can add custom questions, maybe, ask the user for their name, then their email, then their phone. And then you obviously can customize this to whatever the goal is. And then with the appointment details, this is where you'll go ahead and book an appointment. So if you want them to send your specific calendar, they'll send it and then they can automatically book it. And then you'll select what workflow you want to happen after booking the appointment. You can even allow the bot to cancel the appointment or allow the bot to reschedule the appointment as well. And then you just go ahead and click save. Next, we're going to talk about smart automation workflows. So this is AI that knows what to do next. So what really sets GoHighLevel apart is how its AI plugs into the automation system. You can create custom workflows that respond to real behavior. Here are some examples. First off, sending follow-ups to people who clicked but didn't book. Next is triggering reminder texts before calls or appointments. And then next is auto nurturing leads who ghosted you the first time, as well as re-engaging cold leads with AI written messages. So just as an example of how this could work, let's just say you run a local service business and someone calls but doesn't leave a message. The system can actually send a text. So it can say, sorry, we missed your call. Do you need help booking an appointment? The text is powered by AI. So if they do reply, AI employee continues the conversation and handles the next steps while you're off doing your actual job. So very, very powerful stuff here. So to access that, all you would do is navigate down to the workflows. You can go ahead and click create workflow and you can start from scratch or go ahead and do a recipe. One last thing is you can ask AI right up here as well. So you can have it draft a social media post for your campaign, summarize a contact, write an email to promote my product, or generate a funnel. So it's very, very powerful and they've done some amazing add-ons recently. Now, lastly, they have a done for you setup that makes it super easy to start. So if setting up tech systems feels super overwhelming, you're definitely not alone. Most people love the idea of automation, but the moment you log into a new tool and see 10 different tabs and no idea where to start, it's easy to just close it and move on. That's exactly why GoHighLevel includes a done for you snapshot with this promo. A snapshot is basically a pre-built template that loads right into your account. It comes with workflows, automations, messages, forms, and pipelines already created for you. You don't have to build anything from scratch or try to reverse engineer how things should connect. All you have to do is go ahead and click. If you want to import, we'll click yes, import. Then what you'll have to do is update your business name, links, calendar, and branding. Turn it on and the system starts running. The snapshot is already optimized to work with the AI tools, which means the AI voice and AI employee features are already part of the flow. You're not just getting blank templates, you're getting a fully mapped out customer journey that you can personalize and go live super quickly. So let's just say you're a service provider or coach. The snapshot might include an inquiry form that feeds into your pipeline, a follow-up text or email written and sent by AI, a workflow that books a call and sends reminders, a sequence that checks in with leads who didn't book. So instead of spending hours connecting tools, the whole thing is already wired to work. You just swap in your details. So if you've been putting off automation because it feels too technical, this takes that barrier off the table. You can have a fully functional client communication set up and running within a day. And if you join the workshop, you'll get help customizing it as well. Okay, so now one of the most valuable parts of this promo is the free 2-day live voice AI workshop, and it's happening June 16th and 17th. If you join the Summer of AI promo before June 15th, you'll get full access. This isn't just another webinar, it's a hands-on business-focused training that shows you exactly how to use the AI to convert more calls into clients without hiring more staff or spending hours on follow-ups. So here's what you'll learn for free. Day 1 is building your voice AI foundation. So you'll learn how voice AI answers calls, qualifies leads, and books appointments automatically. You'll learn real-world use cases for businesses like med spas, roofer, dentist, business coaches, and more. You'll also get a live demo walking you through setting up your first voice AI workflow inside GoHighLevel. Day 2 is all about automating the follow-up and launching your system, how to build a smart follow-up system using missed calls, texts, lead nurturing, and call routing, and how to customize your own AI scripts, triggers, and automations. It's a complete system launch with real-time support from the GoHighLevel team. So why this workshop really matters? So most businesses really miss leads because they miss calls. No answer means no follow-up, and no follow-up means no sale. This workshop gives you a proven system to turn missed calls into booked appointments without needing a call center or sales team. No scripts, no call centers, just results. Voice AI sounds natural and handles the heavy lifting. Better follow-up equals more conversions, so you'll learn to convert the leads you already have. It's also built for conversion, not conversation. So Voice AI qualifies, routes, and books. Everything runs inside GoHighLevel. No extra tools or complicated integrations needed. This workshop is only available to new or existing GoHighLevel users who sign up before June 15th as part of the Summer of AI promo. If you're ready to automate call handling and improve lead conversions without the overhead, this is definitely where to start. If you're a solo business owner, coach, agency, or service provider who misses leads because you're busy, you feel stuck doing the same follow-ups daily, you want to scale without hiring a full-time team, you need your system to work together, not against each other, this setup was honestly built for you. You can start lean, automate smart, and finally stop feeling like you have to do everything yourself. And you don't have to be techie to make it all work. If you want to get started, make sure you use our link in the description below. Okay, again, just to recap, you can get access to 50% off of your GoHighLevel plan for the first 3 months, and you get 30 days of full access to the AI tool. You also get a done-for-you snapshot to fast-track your setup and entry into the live AI voice workshop. The pricing does depend on the plan after your 14-day free trial. So they do have a couple of different plans, but again, you can start with the 14-day free trial. The starter plan is $97 a month. You get all the tools to capture more leads. You can nurture and close leads into customers, full online booking, pipelines, and more, unlimited contacts and users. You can also set up to 3 sub-accounts and basic API access. Next is the unlimited plan. So this is $297 a month. With this, you get everything in the starter, but you also get basic API access to integrate with anything, unlimited sub-accounts, and a branded desktop app. And then lastly is the SaaS Pro. So this plan is $497 a month, and you get everything in the unlimited plan. Plus you get SaaS mode. You also get the ability to set your own markup and rebilling available on Conversation AI and full API access. This is not just another software promo, it's a chance to really build systems that actually give you your time back. If you've been wanting to clean up your backend, follow up faster, or just feel like someone else is helping you run the day-to-day, this is such a great entry point. If you want to get started with a promotion, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to make videos just like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.